Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y61 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this HUAWEI. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on System and Updates. Then you need to click on Simple Mode over here and tap on Enable. As you can see, after that, Easy Mode is on. If you wish to switch back to your standard one, go into Settings again, click on Exit Simple Mode over here, and now it's disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!